A soft, 3D-looking button that looks like it's popping out of the screen. Draw a frame. Set fill to light blue-gray. Draw a circle. Set fill to the exact same color as frame. Add drop shadow 1. X, 10, Y, 10, blur, 20. Color, dark gray at 50%. Add drop shadow 2. X, -10, Y, -10, blur, 20. Color, pure white at 100%. One shadow simulates light coming from the top left, the other creates depth at the bottom right.